Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to charge your AULA F75 mechanical keyboard. First, check the battery label. The F75 has a battery indicator light above the numpad, solid green. Plenty of juice, red or flashing, time to charge. Grab the USB-C cable included in the box. The port's right here on the top edge, easy to access. Connect the cable to your keyboard, then plug the other end into a USB wall adapter or computer. Pro tip, avoid fast chargers to protect the battery long term. A full charge takes 3 to 4 hours. While it juices up, resist the urge to use it wired. Let it focus on charging. Once the light turns solid green, unplug and you are good to go. If the light's still red, give it a bit more time. Bonus tip, keep the port dust free with compressed air and always double check the manual for model specific details. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.